Hey everybody, it's Jim King out here in Kansas City with our A-Team Foundation Repair crew. They have just done an absolute beautiful job at this, phase by phase. Everything's just gone absolutely perfect. It's hard work. We had to dump rock out in the street today, and then we'll bring it up about 4 feet through some stairs, wheelbarrow around here to the back, down here into the basement. Before we did all this, we jackhammered and got the floor out of here. We hauled it off. We've made quick work out of this. We've been smart about this, not trying to hurry up and get done. We always do real good when we get to the walls and everything that comes to the floors. We try to do it all at once, and it ends up being very hard on everybody. So I've learned my lesson with that. And we're just dividing this up into pieces and making each piece beautiful. That also saves on saw cutting joints. Don't need any joints when we do it that way. So stay tuned. This is a really nice 5-star job. The homeowner's been excellent to work with. So I look forward to getting this complete so her and her family can get back to living life and use this beautiful basement. It's going to be beautiful when we're done. Stay tuned. That last video is going to be eye-popping. If you go back from the first video to the last, you can see it. So, King Piers, Kansas City, for all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.